Hello teachers. I hear some of you need to send out forms to ask some questions for your parents, and I'm going to give you a few tips that you need to make sure you do before you send out your form. First, we need to go up here to the gear and change a few settings. So we're going to click that. This one may be checked by default on yours. If it is, you need to deselect it, just like what you see here with mine. That way, parents who are outside of our organization or who do not have a bentonschools.org email address can respond to your form. If you want to limit it to just one response, you'd make sure you have a check there, or you can leave it unchecked and they can respond multiple times. If you want to collect their email addresses, you can choose to collect their email addresses so you can see which parents are emailing back. If you want them to edit after they submit, you can click there, and that way if they submit it, they go, oh, I wish I could change it, then they could come back and change an answer if they needed to. Once all of those are done, you're going to click Save, and then you're going to work on your form. You'll give it a title here. Make sure you click, once you title it here, when you click up here, like if I say Parents, then I come up here and click, it'll take that title and place it up there. Here's where you add a new question. If you are wanting to make sure that you have your student's name needs to be the absolute first question that you do. So you just say name. You can come over here and change it. You notice it did change to short answer for me. There is short answer. Required, if you select that, that means it is required. The parents have to answer it before they can submit it into you. Right here is that you can import questions. If you have questions somewhere else, you can import them in. Text and title and description, you can put those in if you just need to have just a paragraph explaining some things to them. You can add that. Just click it and then move it to where, like if this was my instructions, I'd move it up here. And then, oops, it didn't quite move. Let's move this one down. There we go. If you get one you don't want, I gotta just delete. And so right now here, I can give it my title, directions, and then come under here and give my actual directions. When you get ready to send it out to your parents, you can click Send. I would go over here to this link, click it, and then I would shorten the URL. When you shorten the URL, then you can copy it. You can put it out in your Class Dojo. You can send it out in an email, or however it is that you need to get this information to your parents. Thank you. And if you have any questions, remember to email me at ntanner.bentonschools.org.